Hi friends, this is a quick video on the Microsoft's current issue with relate to the Windows PC. It's causing the blue screen of death. I'd like to update on this matter that Microsoft have introduced a fresh tool to address this issue, that is Bsod. This problem is caused by CrowdStrike outage, as you all know, and has affected 8 million Windows PC globally. So they have introduced a tool that it's a recovery wizard that can help automate fixing those PC affected by the CrowdStrike outrage. For the solution, you have to download an exe from Windows website that is available in Microsoft Download Center. I'll share the link of the same in the description. You can download it from there. The process will be detailed in the screen and you can make use of that. Just brief it here. You must have another working PC with 64-bit Windows and minimum RAM of 8 GB to use it. The second thing, you should also require a USB drive with at least 1 GB of storage and administrative rights on system. Also, for the system that use BitLocker encryption, you must possess the BitLocker recovery key. I have already done a video regarding to that. I'll share the link in the description. This is the link that is needed. So just enter this link in the browser and click on enter, or you can directly go to the Windows Download Center and can directly get it from there. Just enter. You can see that the tool is now downloaded. It is a zip file. Just open the directory. And here you can see that the files inside it is showing the Microsoft recovery tool for this error. It is actually a PowerShell script. The main concept behind this recovery tool is to generate a bootable USB drive. It will help you to fix the issue when booting up the system and showing up the error. This will automatically apply required fixes and execute remediation scripts as recommended by CrowdStrike. This process go through various stages. You can choose the driver directory for image import, but often you don't need to do this when the USB creation is finished. Once the USB creation is finished, you can use it on your system and follow the boot instruction. So this is the fresh rule that is introduced by Microsoft to solve this issue. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.